I'll show you how you can play split screen on Asphalt Legends Unite on your PS4. So, first off, from your home screen here, when you first boot up the game, it'll look like this, right? Now, on the game or on the home screen here, you can see there is a very obvious home screen section. And after that, just click on multiplayer, right? Just click on multiplayer. Now, on multiplayer, you can see there is a split screen local race option. Now, if you already have this unlocked, then that's it. Just click on that option and then you can play split screen on your PS4. But if you don't have it unlocked or if it's not there, you have to go to career mode and then you want to check how many flags you have collected. Now, for example, here on me, I have 26. You need a minimum of 14 flags to be able to unlock split screen mode. So if you find yourself missing this split screen mode, just playing the game some more on the career mode, collect 14 flags, and then it'll unlock split screen mode for your game. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.